everybody. I'm Krystal. I'm a nurse practitioner and I'm into aesthetics. And I started this vlog because I wanted to explain my role, how I got into the role, how I like the role, spend days in the role, and just kind of take you on a journey it's like to be a nurse practitioner. So hello, and stay tuned for good content and ask questions, subscribe, like. Being a nurse practitioner is awesome. It's flexible. You will find joy in just every day helping people feel better, look better, have more confidence, and learn a lot of trades along the way. So what I hope to achieve is to give knowledge, share experiences, and just show you it's fun. This is fun. I love being a nurse practitioner. I love injecting. And I just want to share that joy with everyone else and just maybe answer some questions along the way. And by the way, my life is so crazy. I have 4 kids. 4 kids are 4 daughters, ages 10, 10, 2, and 8 months. Yeah, that's a big gap. But I'm here to show you that you can have a wonderful lifestyle as a nurse practitioner with a family, provide. But I just want everyone to know that being a nurse practitioner is awesome. Being a cosmetic nurse practitioner is even more awesome. But not everybody can be in this field. I'm going to give you some positive things and also some things to consider. I don't think there's anything negative. I just think that there are obstacles that a lot of people that should consider before they go into this field, because there's a lot of hustling involved, and you have to determine if that's passion that you are getting into the field or if it's just something that you think you can make quick, easy money. It's not that easy. Also, one thing is you have to realize off the bat is that as a nurse practitioner in cosmetics, it puts you in a category. Well, let me put it like this. You have to be able to take risks. You have to be able to accept failure, and you have to be able to be organized. There's a lot of things that you have to be really strong. You can't be weak on the feet and weak in the hand either. So yeah. I will also post content about how I get ready for my day with such a large family, how I stay organized, how I promote, how I interact with my patients, and how you can follow me. And if you are interested in getting trained, I will also give you information on that. Okay, so bear with me. I'm gonna take you on a tour of my room and then just kind of walk you around the spa. And by the way, I also want to say that I inject in Webster on Wednesday and Thursday, and I will also take you on a tour there as well. So let's just have a look. So this is my space, you know, very simple. All I need is, of course, you need washing hands, paper towels. I use a lot of marketing material. In this office, I use a lot of allergen products. This is Juvederm, but I'm also a big fan of Restylane. But so we're gonna walk around, of course. And then I just love teal, and this art is just fantastic. And then here I am again. And then yeah, so it's very small space. But as a nurse practitioner, entrepreneur, you don't really have to have a lot of overhead when you're injecting. I'm a non-laser equipment type of person, and yeah, this is great. It's all I need. Yeah. So I'm gonna walk you to the lobby, which is so beautiful. When you walk in, hear the ambience of music. Isn't it beautiful, y'all? It's so beautiful. So we have amazing services that we offer here. Let's look around. So I'm just gonna go walk you to the rooms and show you how everything is set up. Our esthetician here is amazing. She has skin like silk. She just rolls in your face and you don't even like it. I can't describe it. It's amazing. So you should get a facial. So here is the facial area, towel warmer. We do the hydrofacials, which are really good for any type of skin combination, oily, dry, just real good on the skin. So if you haven't had one, you should at least give that a try as well. So I'm gonna be moving through. I told y'all it was beautiful. Look at this. This art's so pretty. And then there's my room. Okay. And then we also have laser treatments. Let's talk about this Essence Prime, which does skin tightening. Also, say you have that. So I have 4 kids. So say you have that mama pooch that you want to tighten up and get like smooth going, or if you want a Brazilian butt lift and you just want to tighten the skin up around the butt, this is the machine for you. It also helps with wrinkling and tightening the skin around the neck. So, and it uses radio frequency, so it's not painful or uncomfortable like, you know, cool sculpting or sculpture, which uses really, really strong heat or to freeze fat cells. Anyway, so this is the D-Wave. Not gonna go into that one. Look that up. Keep it PG here, but it's a really good machine. Okay. Over here. It's awesome here. So then I'm just gonna keep walking. More arch. So yes, taking you into what I call the relaxation overflow party slash. It's very good. So say you want to have a party with friends, or you want to have a Botox get together, or different things like that. We also have many other machines that we use as well. We have the Syncron Candela, and we also have the Ultra Power Shape. Okay. So yeah, that is it. Oh, this hair. So yeah, that is it. And I can tell you that being a nurse practitioner is very rewarding. And there's not a day that I regret that I made the decision to get into cosmetics. It's a hustle and bustle type of career. So it's not for the weak. You got to have tough skin to be in this industry. So, okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's my first, so don't destroy me completely. I'm going to go run about my day. It's about noon. And so I got to get those miles in and go for a run, because once you get up in your 30s, it's kind of hard to keep everything down. However, okay, see you guys later. Bye. So just like that, I'm in my car. I'm on my way back to my house to check on my kids, feed my little baby, and then I'm gonna go for a afternoon jog. Let me just say, this heat in Houston is non-forgiving, and I know there is probably more things that I can do with my time on my lunch break, but come on, y'all, gotta get it in. I'm on this little ring thing with my mom. She's gonna creep up on me, but so I gotta get these miles.
65. Resistance. I'm imagining that's not what everyone's doing right now. Okay, 55 and 65. Resistance. 45 minutes does not change you. I will never waste your time. I will push you, but I will never ever let you fall. Picking up your head speed. 3, 2, 1.
So yeah, I am in mother mode now. I'm running errands now with all my kids. Work. Yeah. Oh, 4 of them. I think I got 4. Anyway, so we're on our way to shoot footage for their video. Yeah, I'm looking kind of tired. Anyway, so keep in tune for the next beat.